Hi. Today I'll show you how to improve the performance of your Redmi or POCO smartphone. Go to your device settings. Open the About Phone option. Tap on the MIUI version 5 to 6 times continuously. Find additional settings and open. Open developer options. Here you can see some important options. Scroll down, and follow the steps. Turn off the window animation scale. Turn off the transition animation scale. Set the animator duration scale to 0.5x. And then, just turn on the MIUI optimization. That's it. Now go and check your device performance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.